Right, so starting at the back, like many on the forums, I contacted Dave at Hagon, and after some lots of very technical emails and such and chatted on the phone, I've wound up for these, which are Hagon 2810 adjustable shocks. They're not the nitros, which are the top of the range, because they were like 370 quid a set, and that's just couldn't afford it. Would have been great, but I couldn't afford it, so gone for these 2810s, which are about 200 quid. So yeah, got them on. So I suppose the question is, are they better? And yeah, they're light years better, there's no doubt about it. One of the things that I hadn't expected about just the ride itself is it's so much smoother with these shocks. With the stock shocks, you feel every rev, you feel it. Every time the piston hits the top of the barrel and moves back down, you feel it, and it goes whacking through you. But with these shocks, it smooths it out and bumps in the road again, smoothed out, and it's all groovy. So I'm very pleased with those. You'll notice adjustability-ness, that's for damping, and obviously up the top you've got, they sent me a C-spanner to adjust the preload and whatnot, so that's all groovy. I have no idea what it all means. One peculiarity is that Hagon 2810s, they fit in upside down for whatever reason. I don't know why, but usually the rod is at the top and the body of the damper is the bottom, but they're up the other way. I don't know why, but anyway, it makes no odds. But it makes for a much more comfortable ride. The bumps in the road, they don't go up through your spine or up through your backside. They get absorbed, and it means the suspension's doing what it should do. So that was the first. I suppose that was the most urgent mod, because I got such backache and such a numb bum. It was horrible. So the mods started with the shocks, and that was hugely important and probably one of the most expensive too.